expand the cube of 3x squared plus 4y cubed. So to expand this binomial, do not multiply 3x squared plus 4y cubed thrice Instead, use this formula. So if you have a plus b quantity cube, the expansion of this is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So, ang i-expand natin ay yung 3x squared plus 4y cubed. So, kukunin natin yung cube niya. So, kumaga po, ang a natin dyan ay yung 3x squared, tapos ang b natin ay 4y cubed. So, base sa formula, kukunin natin yung cube ng a. So, 3x squared, then everything is raised to 3, plus 3a. A is 3x squared. So, square natin times b, which is 4y cubed. Tapos, plus 3a, which is 3x squared, times b squared. So, 4y cubed, then square mo yan, plus b cubed. Ang b natin ay 4y cubed. So, i-cube pa natin yan. Okay? So, now, i-distribute natin yung mga exponent. So, 3 raised to 3, then x raised to. So, kapag ganito, power of a power, minumultiply natin yung exponent. So, 3 times 2, 6 na yun. Plus 3, distribute muna natin, 3 square, x to the 4th, right? Then, kopyahin muna natin ito. So, isa-isayin muna natin para hindi confusing So, 3 times 3x square times, this is 4 square, then y to the 6, plus, so plus 4 cube, y to the 9, right? And then, this is 3 cube, 3 times 3 times 3, 27 yun. X to the 6 plus 3 times, this is 9, x to the 4th, then times 4y cubed plus 3 times 3x squared times 16, y to the 6 plus 4 times 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64, 64y raised to 9. Now we have 27 x to the 6 plus, this is 3 times 9 times 4. So that is 27 times 4, 108, right? 108 x to the 4th, then y cubed. Plus 3 times 3, 9 times 16. 9 times 16, that is 144, right? And x squared y to the 6 plus 64y raised to 9. So that is the expansion of the cube of 3x squared plus 4y cubed.